Hi everyone, I'm Ben Smith, co-director of the Money Geeks. We're a professional financial services company based out of Neath in South West Wales. We've set up realistically to help people across the UK get specialist mortgage advice and the assistance they need to get the right products.
The Money Geeks is a specialist finance firm that provides advice to the likes of first-time buyers, but as well as that we also look at people who may have not had the best credit in the world, CCJs, defaults, that type of thing.
So here at the Money Geeks we want to help consumers and businesses all across the UK. So we span all the way from down in Wales up to the top of Scotland. You can find us online at themoneygeeks.co.uk and we're available 6 days a week. Feel free to contact us over the telephone or email on our website at any time and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible.